All right, guys, so as you can see, we finally got some good weather, and I'm gonna pull the Mustang out. A little sketched out, but you know, it is what it is. We're gonna pull it out. So hopefully, nothing goes wrong with the wheel spacers, and it backs out just fine. But, yeah, let's hope. And it's super windy outside, so I don't know how much I'll be able to talk to y'all out there. Probably just show it off and then pull it back in. It might be a shorter video. I'm not sure, but I guess let's crank this thing up and pull it out. Gosh. Oh my gosh. Well, it's still absolutely sick looking. I cannot believe this thing. It's just crazy. I wish the sun was over on this side, but it is what it is. I'm not gonna like attempt to turn it around. It probably would turn around, but it's just a little sketchy. So it looks hilarious because the tire is actually really small compared to the one on the other side, but it's sticking out so much farther, so it's hilarious. But this looks so sick. I 100% would rock some. Hopefully the wind is, I'm sure the wind's destroying this audio, but I would totally rock some chromies. This is sick. It looks so weird seeing this car because I've literally only had the black wheels on it. Like right after I got those black wheels, and that's literally been the only look I've seen on it ever. And that's just it's awesome. Grabber blue is an awesome color, but on chromies, boys, this treat me right. Daggone, boy. All right, I swapped over to my iPhone, give it a little bit different angle, and the lighting's a little bit different on this, so different view. Set the old GoPro 7 down. I hear a huge gust of wind coming, so get ready to get wrecked. But this thing is, I want to drive it so bad. It would be so sick to get some rollers with it. Just look at that, bud. I don't even know. These videos are probably honestly pretty boring because I'm just showing y'all the exact same thing over and over, but I just can't get over it. It's just crazy. So the good looking 19 SVEs tucked. Man, this thing, it kind of sucks now because it looks so good poking out. I need that stance, boy. You know, I got that stance on this truck. It's time to bring it to the car gang, boy. It's honestly so sick looking. Oh my gosh. This is insane. You can see the tire. Oh my gosh. Well, like I said, it's probably gonna be a short video, so I'm honestly probably just about to pull it back in and swap all of them back out, get the wheel spacers off and all that crap, because there's nothing really more I want to do with it, or I would love to do more with it, but there's nothing really more I can do with it because of I'm not taking it down the road with the spacers sketchy like they are. So definitely let me know if you would love to see the Mustang get some different wheels, obviously some chromies or something, and a smaller configuration similar to this. I think that would be pretty sick, but definitely let me know if you want to see something like that. And it's pretty much going to do it. The wind's getting bad, so I'm not going to ramble on anymore. Hopefully you did enjoy. Subscribe if you're new. Hit the bell notification. And I'll see y'all in the next one.